In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a WordPress SQL database file using Plesk. This might seem like a daunting task at first, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to navigate the process with ease. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you can log in to your Plesk account. You'll need to access it as an administrator or as a user who has been given the necessary database privileges. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Plesk dashboard. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the Websites and Domains section. Find this tab and click on it. Within this section, you'll see a list of all your domains. Choose the specific domain that contains the database you wish to restore. Next, look for the Databases option. Selecting this will show you a list of databases associated with that particular domain. Take a moment to find the database you're planning to restore. With the database selected, you're ready for the next step, which is clicking on Import Dump. Sometimes, depending on your version of Plesk, you may find this option in the Database Tools pane. Don't worry if you need to look around slightly different spots, as Plesk versions can vary, but it should be there. Once you've clicked Import Dump, you'll be presented with a couple of options. The first option is to upload. This involves browsing your local computer to locate and upload the dump file. The file could be in SQL or zip format. Make sure you've stored your SQL or zip file in an easily accessible location on your device beforehand to make this step smoother. Alternatively, if you've previously uploaded the dump file to a directory that the server can access, you can choose the second option, Import. This option allows you to select a dump file that's already on your server. Here's an additional tip. Before starting the import process, decide if you need to choose the Recreate Database option. Selecting this will instruct Plesk to drop the current database and recreate it from scratch, which effectively clears all the existing data. This is a useful option if you're looking to completely restore the database to a previous state. Once you've made these selections and are ready to proceed, it's time to confirm and start the import or restore process. Plesk will now handle the heavy lifting, processing the SQL dump, creating tables, and inserting all the necessary data into your database. After the import is complete, it's important to verify that everything is working correctly on your WordPress site. This means checking the database tables, ensuring all users are in place, and that all the content appears as expected. If your site functions as intended, congratulations. You've successfully restored your WordPress SQL database using Plesk. You've mastered another aspect of managing and maintaining your WordPress site, ensuring its robustness and reliability. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring more ways to enhance your site's performance and security.